We are here at the Country Inn and Suites here in Rock Falls.
I'm gonna check out the bathroom.
Close the door. Oh boy, guess what we have here? We have an Impulse 3. Look like it's bumper. Nice. It's always hard to find a working indicator like that one. Let's see what kind of fountain do we have in here. ADA compliant fountain. Look at this really nice elevator cab. Custom. I think this is custom handrails. They definitely are. It's very weird. Check this out. You got the old bumper. Makes it quick, opens quick. Yeah. Go back down to 1. Those are impulse buttons. 2,500 pounds. Nice. Stinks in here though too. Look. Someone's must have been smoking in here.
Yeah.
Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.